Okay, this is the last lesson for Chapter 6 that I'm doing. It's 6.7, Estimating Currency Exchange. It's rather simple, very fast. To try these, you can do those on your calculator very quickly. Okay. Akai needs to create budgets for her business trips. What numbers can she use to estimate without using a calculator? So when we're estimating currency, we're just trying to do it without a calculator, doing the math in our head. Oh my gosh. To estimate the value of Canadian dollars in yen, multiply by 100 to estimate an amount and divide by 100. Okay, because, number one, Akai is traveling from Canada to Japan. What would be a good estimate for the exchange rate of Canadian dollars to Japanese yen if dollars is equal to 90.198? Well, we know it's about 1 to 100. So that's an easy conversion to do in our head, 1 to 100. Okay, it's not exact because it's actually 90.198, but it gets our answer pretty darn close. Number two, Akai is traveling from Canada to Scotland. What would be a good estimate for the exchange rate of Canadian dollars to British pounds if the exchange rate is 0.607? Well, let's keep it simple. We can say 1 Canadian dollar is worth about 0.5 or half a pound. Okay? Half a pound. So it's not exact, but it's pretty close, and it allows us to do some quick calculating in our head. For example, Bakana is a flight attendant for a British airline. She has 300 pounds. How can she estimate this amount in Canadian dollars? Well, we know that 1 pound is about $1.50 Canadian. Well, it's a little bit more, but for calculating in our head, it's about worth 1.5. So 300 pounds is about 300 plus, well, 1.5 is another plus 1.5 times 300, which is about $150. So we can say it's around $450 Canadian. Okay, so you can use mental math when calculating 300 times 1.5. Just take half of 300 and add it to 300. So half of 300 is 150, which is I got there. Add that to 300, and we get an answer of 450. When might it be useful to estimate an amount in a different currency? Well, when you don't have access to, I would say, the exchange rates right away, but you have an idea. Okay, you don't have maybe your phone with you, or you don't have access to what the numbers are. You can just do a quick mental math in your head. Okay, so that's all there is for this chapter. It was very quick. Okay, go ahead and do the practice.